Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching your private TikTok profile to a public one. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To change to a public TikTok profile, go to the Me page on TikTok and then tap the three-dot Settings button from the top right. In Settings, tap Privacy. The first setting here is to enable or disable a private account. Tap the toggle to disable it. Confirm that you want to change to a public account. Your TikTok profile is now public, and anyone can watch your videos and follow you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.